Visible, who are you?
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Visible, the virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I am always at your command.
Hello visuals, welcome back. Finally, we have added the functionality which is called the female version. Finally, the female version is back, and it also having some more functionalities like as compared to previous version. In this version, we are included tell me the joke, and also we have in this version we have included open Google with search command. It asks us what need to be searched on Google or the YouTube. So I'm going to start the software right now.
Good evening. I am Visible, sir. Please tell me, how may I help you? Fury as Russia becomes UN Security Council President.
Open Google.
What do you want to search on Google, sir?
Cars.
Searching cars on Google.
Open YouTube.
What do you want to search on YouTube, sir?
Marvels.
Searching Marvels on YouTube.
No matter who wins or loses, trouble still comes round.
Visible, what is the time?
The time is 20 hours 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
Thank you for watching this video. Soon we will back with more functionalities. If anyone needs this software to be installed on your PC, or if your friends need this software to be installed on their PC, they can contact me or DM us on Instagram. For any information, you can contact us on Instagram. Meanwhile, it also having the functionality called to send the message through WhatsApp, and it can do that also. Please share this video among your friends, family members, also one who loves Marvel cinematic movies and all. Thank you for watching this video, and let's see you next time.